Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix empty layer in PrusaSlicer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now let's go with this one. So first what we are going to do is, if you are in the beginner mode, change it to expert mode here in the top right corner. Then jump into the printing settings on the left side in the top, and then click on layers and perimeters in the left menu, the first one basically. Look under the quality section, so quality, and then find detect thin walls. So detect thin walls right here. Go back to the plate and yeah, we need to check this box if it's possible. If you can do it, you will go here back to the plater and then try slicing it again. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you